Academics module. Now I will explain the academics module in the ERP system. This module mainly handles attendance, timetable, assignments, faculty activities, and student academic tracking. Academic register. First, we open the academic register. Here we can view attendance reports. Student-wise, subject-wise. Academic timetable. Next, we move to the academic timetable. The timetable can be created in two ways. Online entry, offline Excel upload. Before creating the timetable, subjects must be allotted to students. Faculty must be assigned to subjects. For lab timetable, lab batches must be created in advance. Assignments. Next, we go to the assignments section. Here, assignments can be given to students. In Manage Assignments, we can edit assignments. In Assignment Reports, we can see which students have submitted their assignments. Attendance Management. Now we move to the attendance screen. Important point. Attendance can be marked only after the timetable is created. Here we can mark attendance for all periods, modify attendance, delete attendance if required. Attendance reports. In the attendance reports section, we have 21 different types of reports available. Counseling mentoring. Next, we go to the counseling section. In Assign Mentors, students are assigned to faculty mentors. In Reassign, we can change the mentor if required. In the faculty login, faculty can enter remarks for assigned students. These remarks will be visible in the HOD login for that department. Faculty adjustment. In faculty adjustment, we can assign a subject to another faculty for a particular day. The adjusted faculty will mark attendance for that class. Faculty academic details. In this section, we can view the faculty weekly workload report. Faculty class attendance. In faculty class attendance, faculty can mark attendance for their allotted subjects. Options available. Check presentees. Selected students will be marked as present. Check absentees. Selected students will be marked as absent. Faculty work order. In faculty work order, we can view the weekly timetable of faculty. Feedback system. Feedback questions creation. Here we create the feedback questions. Feedback settings. In feedback settings, we select the batch and semester. Configure grade maintenance. Set start and end dates for student feedback submission. Lab batch management. Lab batch maintenance. In lab batch maintenance, we have two options. All students are assigned to one batch. Single students are divided into multiple batches. Lab batch assignment. Here, students are assigned to their respective lab batches. Manual subject allotment. In manual subject allotment, subjects are assigned to students manually. This is used when the subject allotment type is set to manual. Promotion. In the promotion section, students are promoted to the next semester. Teaching assignments. In teaching assignments, subjects are assigned to faculty. Before this, both subjects and faculty must be uploaded into the ERP system. Teaching plan. The teaching plan is managed in the faculty login. Here, faculty create a teaching plan for their subjects. While marking attendance, the topics from the teaching plan will be available in the drop-down. Faculty can also enter new topics if needed. Teaching plan reports can also be viewed. Timetable reports. In timetable reports, we can view the complete timetable section-wise. This completes the academics module overview, including timetable, attendance, assignments, and faculty management. Thank you.